Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got a 888 box of office products and supplies. So we're going to see exactly what's in here. We're going to find out, will we make our $84 back plus some, and we're going to price everything at the end of the video. So stay tuned to the end. If you're interested in anything, you'll know exactly how much it costs. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, let's get right into this box and see what we find.
You got a blue light?
I do. All right. Didn't quite. There we go. I always pull up on the center just to make sure I don't cut anything in the box. So I have very, very sharp box cutters. All right. Very well padded, always. This is new product, office supplies from 888 Lots. If you're interested in buying from them, you can go ahead and click the links in the description below. All right, so we have got a wooden dip pen, gift writing. Ooh, I bet this is like a quill.
Really?
Yeah. I almost want to scan. It's completely sealed. I almost want to scan it. It's a gift writing pen. Let's see what we got here.
Cool box.
It's a really cool box. All right. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's like an old school.
How much was it going for?
$18.
18 bucks?
Yeah.
Cool.
All right, that's cool.
Sell for 10.
Probably, yeah. Oh, we have these on the Hooked on Pickin store. Bingo daubers.
Everybody needs them.
Yep. And then, what is this? Open on the bottom, so I'm just going to pull it out of the wrapping here. Oh, it's like protractors and stuff like that. What is this? All right. Ferocious geometry. It's ferocious. Rawr. Ferocious.
Viking compass.
Viking compass. Ferocious. Yes. That's cool. I'll have to look that up. This is neat stuff so far. Okay, then we have the super clip. So like those black clips that you always use, but you can clip a whole ream of paper. All right, then we have this is a toner cartridge. Kind of all over the map with toner cartridge prices, but we'll look this one up and see if it's worth anything. Remember, we're going to price everything at the end. Oh, this is awesome. So this is extra foam padding. We do sell this, and I don't remember, $5 a piece, I think, is what we're selling this. And they're basically little sheets that you can put between picture frames if you're putting away your china or your Christmas stuff, candles, stuff like that. It's perfect for wrapping kind of glasses and cups, and even with shipping. If you want to ship something, it's good padding around some things that you want padded. All right, then we've got paper clips. Open box and scattered all on the inside. Anybody need paper clips? Because I've got a bucket load. All right. Then we have cardstock, cream colored cardstock. We've had this before. $5, 50 sheets. Then we have, what is this? This is professional non-toxic drawing sketching charcoal pencils. Ooh, I bet those are expensive. Should we scan one and see what they're worth?
Give it a shot.
Okay, let's see. Oh, I think this barcode is a little beat up. We'll have to look it up later, because that barcode's a little bit too beat up. Oh, these are those large Ziploc bags. 10 bags, 16 by 18. That's a huge bag for Ziploc. Put your whole meal in there. Then we've got, ooh, these paper doilies. How much were we selling these? $5 a piece. Yeah, these are great for keeping stains off your furniture with your cups and such. Here's some more. So I think I might put those on Hooked on Pickin.
We have a bunch.
Yeah. This is Topps composition books. multicolored. I bet it's a whole box of composition books. I'm just going to open it. We'll probably sell them in sets. We'll see. There we go. Oh, look at that. So it says multicolored. Are they multicolored or are they all green? I'm guessing all green right now. They're all wide ruled. So the teachers out there. Oh, there we go. We do have different colors. Betcha 3 of each kind. What other colors do we have? Another green. I think it's just green and blue. Wide ruled composition books. Those are useful. Just handy to have around. Oh, here's another one of those ancient maps. It's the world map. Let's see if I can. I'm going to pull up a picture of it on here because I don't ever want to unseal something that's brand new. But I really want you to see what these look like because they're really cool.
Those do look neat.
Yeah, so they're $10, I think is what we're selling. 10 or 15?
15.
15. Okay, sorry. Then what is this? This is standard school and office. What is it? Oh, these things. They're like those clear presentation flip book things.
Okay.
Those folder things. All right, then we have calligraphy pens. Some of that art stuff sells really well. This is the Green Military Log Record Book. Okay, well, how is it military? Federal Supply Service. It did come, I guess, from the military. Ooh. Ooh, we had some people interested in these.
We sold the last pack.
I might have to contact the last email and see if they want it still, since we found a new one. All right, then we have a large, wide ruled composition book. It's the exact same size as the others. Then we have, these are highlighters, packs of highlighters. I think we kept the last pack, but we might be able to just go ahead and sell these. Exacto knife.
It's a nice one.
That is a super nice one. That's so heavy. And it's got a belt clip on the back, see?
Just a box cutter, ain't it?
Yeah, it's a box cutter. All right, then we have bamboo lap desk. Oh, so you put your laptop on your lap with this, right? Yeah, 15-inch laptops. And this is maybe to let the vent. Yeah. That's sharp looking, isn't it?
Yeah.
17 inches by 12 inches. Oh, and then we have another one of these box cutters. More paper clips. What are these? Ink?
Ink cartridge.
Yep. Then we have some more padding. What is this? This says it is aluminum desk nameplate holders. 2 inches by 8 inches. Office business desk holder. It's a 5-pack, and they're silver nameplate holders.
Well,
so you can actually get the nameplates made pretty easily, and then they just slide in and out. So that is all. I'm going to leave the paper clips in there. That is all that's in there. So stay tuned. We're going to price everything and see how much we're going to charge for everything. Okay, so we've got everything priced, so we're going to show you each and every item individually and how much we're going to charge for it, all right? So we've got these padding foam pieces, and there's, I think it's, $50 or $50 in each pack, and so $5 per pack. Then we have the bamboo laptop board, $25. They're going for around $40 online, but we thought $25 is a reasonable price for you guys. Then the map for $15. We do have more than one of those maps, so if you like more than one, please let us know. And then we have the green journal, military journal, $5 for that. Then we have the nameplates. They're actually going for around $17 for the pack of 5, but we thought we'd just sell them to you for $5 to give you a good deal. Then we have the highlighters. We're going to sell them both as a pack of 2 for $10. And then we have these are calligraphy markers for $10. Then we have the watercolor set for marker set for $10. Then the box cutters were really actually very, very expensive ones. So $10 each on the box cutters. Then we have the cool super clip thing for the office. $5 there. The doilies, $5 a piece there. Then this is what? I can't remember.
Pencils.
Oh, the chalk pencils. $5 there. And then we have the large Ziploc bags, $10 there. Not doing anything with the paper clips unless you want a whole bunch of them because I got boxes of them. Then this is on Hooked on Pickin. So just go to Hooked on Pickin and you can actually purchase this right now. $10 for that on Hooked on Pickin. Then we have the whole box of composition notebooks, and I actually threw an extra one in there, that yellow one I pulled out. So $10 for the entire box of composition notebooks. Then this cool, awesome kind of quill pen, old school setup. So $10 for that. Then I wanted to pull one of these out to show you. These are what they are. They're little clear kind of folder holders. $5 for like reports and things like that. These two items are going to Amazon. So $15 for the toner cartridge and $2 after fees is what we'll get for that little ink cartridge. Not a lot, but hey, it's something. Then we have this kind of geometry set, $10 for that, and then $5 for the 50 sheets of cream colored cardstock. So when you add all of that together, $217 is where we're at. We're going to take off the 84, so our total profit for this box is $133. So hopefully you enjoyed watching me open this 888 lots of office supplies. Really cool stuff in this one, kind of unique items. So if you're interested in anything, just contact me, and of course remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you're looking to get into reselling yourself, you can always go to hookedonpickin.com. I've got a bunch of reseller resources available for you, but I've also got tons of products that I unbox on a regular basis. Some of those being things that I have multiples of, like this brand new set of 6 bottles of essential oils. It's got all the flavors that you normally use. So if you're a candle maker or you like aromatherapy, natural aromas, things like that, these are always great. I know that the peppermint is great if you're totally congested. So it's really, really an inexpensive price. I've got this one plus another brand. So check those out on hookedonpickin.com.